This is probably one of my favourite lip balm recipes, and it includes vegan white chocolate, which is made of cocoa butter, sugar and vegan milk. You can add it to cosmetics, other companies have done it. Just make sure that you are using it in small proportions and you do your stability testing. So this is our formula for a 50-gram batch, and this is our first ingredient, sweet almond oil. Which is a humectant, emollient and a very non-greasy oil. Then we have candelilla wax, which is a hardener, easily absorbed, and it enhances spreadability of the final product. Shea butter for its occlusive properties. Coconut oil, which is moisturising and easily absorbed whilst being non-greasy. Our vegan white chocolate for texture and flavour. Then our food grade peach flavour oil enhances the flavour of the final product. And finally vitamin E, an antioxidant that also helps prevent cell damage. Simple, all you need to do is add all of your phase A ingredients to a beaker and then heat in a bain-marie double boiler until all the ingredients have melted together. You can give it a stir to help it along if you want to. And here you are, when it's all melted, you'll see it's a nice sort of creamy texture. Now you just need to leave it to cool to 40 degrees C so that you can add your heat sensitive ingredients, which is your flavour oil and your vitamin E. Give it a good stir to combine those, and then you're ready to pour into your containers. This is slightly softer than our other lip balm, but it still goes in twist up tubes well, so you can decide twist up tube or tin depending on your preference. And just pour it in and leave it to set for, I don't know, half an hour to an hour. It actually sets quite quickly, especially if you put it in the fridge. You'll know it's set because it would have lightened in colour and it will be firm to the touch. As with most of our recipes, they're completely customisable. You can change things about them, up the percentages, lower the percentages, change the flavour oils, change the carrier oils, change the waxes to get the texture and the final scent that you want. It's completely up to you. I encourage you to experiment and use our recipes as a base for creating your own. If you want some more exclusive recipes, we have lots on our Patreon, and we're adding more every week, along with business support blogs, regulatory blogs and more formulation help and advice. And don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel and drop a comment below. See you next time.